So this is an interesting thing for you. You're probably thinking, why has he got sunglasses on in a garage? And yeah, my garage is a shithole. So I've just had a mate of mine create a mount for this helmet. This is the Shoei NXR2 helmet, and you can buy these mounts online from helmetmounts.com. I think they're a Canadian company. Now currently these mounts, they look like this. This is one. There you go. Probably a bit better if I show you on the DJI camera. This is what they look like. And all you do is you just get the same sort of 3M stickers that you get for your GoPro cameras. Put one on the back, clean your helmet, stick this on, leave it 24 hours, put your camera on. Bob's your uncle. A mate of mine made this. It took him about half an hour, and he said he reckons it's cost him about 35 pence in materials. These currently on helmet mounts are 28 UK pounds, and then you've got shipping from Canada. I got one for my old helmet, which was a Nolan, and I think I paid a lot more than that. I think it came to about 40 quid in the end that I paid for that, and I've ended up taking it off because how it mounted on my helmet, I couldn't move the vent. Luckily with this one, the vent's on the top, so it's not too bad. Where is it? Oh, it's there at the side, so you can get to it. It's a lot easier. So he actually made me two, so it's cost him less than £1 to make two of these. This one's made out of a different material, and then your camera just clips straight in the inside of them, no problem. So it just shows you what an inflated cost these companies are making. And the thing is that when it turned up, all they've done is they've made this on a 3D printer, because you can see on here, I don't know if you can pick up on here, like the lines where it's been made by the printer. So if you know somebody out there that's got a 3D printer and you're wanting one of these for your helmet, there's a website online called thingiverse.com. If you go on there, the majority of everything that 3D prints are on there. Somebody will have made one of these for whatever it is you're after. Just download the file, or get whoever it is that's got a 3D printer to download it and print it out. Even if you give them a tenner, they're going to be quids in. Just thought I'd share that with you.